I'm Kat Sheridan. Welcome to the Ohio Arts Council's Riffe Gallery, located in the lobby of the Riffe Center for Government and the Arts. We are thrilled to present the Nexus of Art and Health. The works in this show were selected by Cleveland Clinic Art Program Curator Sienna Brown, with 15 artists from across the state and works ranging from ceramics to installation, fiber to printmaking, painting to collage. There's something here for everyone. Thanks for joining us for this quick overview. The Ohio Arts Council's Riffe Gallery is open Tuesday through Friday, noon to 5 p.m. If you'd like to connect with us online, please like and follow the Ohio Arts Council's Riffe Gallery on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget to register for our in-person and online programming, including artist talks and demos, and friends and family and creative writing workshops at riffegallery.eventbrite.com. As always, a special thank you to the OAC's board, the governor's office, and the legislature who support this gallery and Ohio artists. We hope to see you soon.